Okay, we are going to pull out to the intersection and start turning when we get to the manhole cover. We're going about 5 or 6 miles an hour. Turn, and then we stay close to the curb. Watching your left-hand mirror and see where your tire is. If it comes into your lane any further than the first white dash, then you have not stayed close enough to the curb before you start to straighten out. Got a red light up at the top of the hill. And I am going to get in the left-hand lane. We do not change lanes in the middle of an intersection. We have no cross traffic at this light down here. Do not turn on a green light if there is anybody at the bottom of the hill or closer. We just wait until they pass. Or if we have a green arrow, we can turn. Pull out to the intersection and we make a 90-degree turn. We don't turn immediately after pulling forward. And as soon as you get straight, pick up speed as quickly as you can because we're getting on the highway. We are going to be going towards St. Louis, so we will stay in this lane. The exit speed is 50 miles an hour, but that is for cars. Maintain about 45 miles an hour all the way around the turn. When you start going uphill, you'll start losing speed, but try to maintain 45 miles an hour. When you see a long broken crack in the road, start to speed up and get up to interstate speed. This crack right there. Turn your left turn signal on and get up as much speed as you can. That's what these ramps are for, is to get up to highway speed. Start looking in your mirror for a safe place. Pull into traffic. and creating a safe space in between us. Now, when he's got his momentum going faster than us, we will speed up, but we will not catch up. Continue to look at your mirrors. At approximately this Toyota sign over to our right, turn your right turn signal on. You will always take this exit in your test. Keep your foot on the floor, keep your foot to the floor until you get to this exit 84 sign with the arrow. When you get to it, take your foot off, keep your foot off the brake, cover the brake, and once your trailer is all the way in the deceleration lane, then begin to slow down. Look across the bridge and see if any traffic is coming across. Let the examiner know. If you see traffic, which I do, I will slow down enough and try to maintain some forward momentum so that I do not have to stop. There is no traffic, so I will continue through the yield and pull into the left hand or the right hand lane. Now the turning lane is not the right hand lane. We will be making a right hand turn. Or a left hand turn, excuse me. We will pull all the way out to the first thick white line before the railroad crossing. Do this turn at 5 to 6 miles an hour. We start our turn. We stay a little bit over to the right for about the count of 1, and then get back over into our lane. And if you look into your left-hand door mirror, you'll see that your trailer has not gone into the other lane. Then you speed up. You will be asked about 3 or 4 signs. Once again, might be asked that speed limit sign. It's 55 on this section of road. This sign coming up with the truck, and underneath it, it says next 2 miles. That means heavy truck traffic next 2 miles. There is one right there, and there is one just outside the examination station. So as soon as you leave the testing area, she may ask you, what was that sign we just passed? And you tell her it was heavy truck traffic next 2 miles. This section of road, once again, is 55. If it's good, go between 50 and 55. Now up here you see a tree that is sort of crooked. It looks like the Grinch's hat. If you're in a standard, you should start slowing down to downshift at that tree. If you're in automatic, you can go a little bit beyond that before you start your slowing down to go back into the school parking lots. Since you will be taking your test, go ahead and maintain your speed until she tells you that you are going to the testing area, and slow down about 700 or 800 yards, about where that truck is right ahead of us. Start slowing down there before you turn into the testing area. Do not block any traffic coming toward you when you're making this turn into either the school or the testing area.